records would show even plane tickets ni Michelle. Tapos there are also postings, mga pictures na nasa Iloilo si Michelle during that time, and she attended Miss Iloilo. So for the whole day of January 17, nandun talaga siya, and she just went back to Manila ng January 18.
Okay, so good point. So Michelle was in Iloilo for Miss Iloilo Dinagyang.
Yes.
Okay, so that was January 17, January 18 bumalik siya naman na lang.
Yes.
Saan po si Rian noong January 17?
That I don't know. I haven't interviewed Rian yet. Pero ang alam ko, no 17, nag-attenda talaga siya ng taping. So, ang ano ka lang is with regard to Michelle, kasi nga, parang physically impossible na mangyayari na nagkaroon ng bugbugan noong January 17, wala siya sa Manila during that time. And the allegation was, 3 days siyang binugbog. So, inclusive dapat yung January 17, 18, and 19. Records also would show na nung 19 ng hapon, nasa police station na yung complainant because he was brought to Makati City Police Station for possible inquest investigation because of the alleged qualified theft that was committed by him against Michelle D.